You probably glazed the flywheel. I bet you money. Like, you probably got a bunch of hot spots or some shit in it, but you don't have any material like blown out or anything, or any like when I did my first single disc, fibers everywhere. Like you could just pull it out of there. Like when I went on the track. And then my twin disc, remember, it broke in between the like stress relief cracks, like where they had it. It actually, like when I launched it on the two-step, it kept pulling it and it cracked, and then it shoved it in between the pressure plate and shit. But yours is not horrible, but you can definitely tell. We'll rip it off real quick now. On it, so yeah, look at there.
Oh my.
Yeah, it's not the worst I've seen, but oh yeah, look at the hot spots. Yeah, that's pretty bad, Jordan. Yeah. Well, oh look, there's some pieces breaking. I mean, you still actually had some material left. It's just you smoked it pretty bad. Yeah, those are pretty bad.
Well, it was time.
Yeah, well, that will definitely do it. Oh well, there you go. It couldn't hold it.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
Yeah, it just couldn't hold it. You're lucky you didn't break anything. There's a dowel pin right there. So. I think I had it like this. Hey, look at there. This is the last hard part.
What a real sleeper build looks like. I never let it get this dirty. It's just because on the shop, the road I have to go down, it's a freaking dirt road. So, and it was raining, so yeah, we're gonna clean this up for now. I have to hand wash it when I get back home. Now it's better.